Oh! Hi, Count. I didn't know you were there.
Ah, greetings, Susan.
How are you today?
Extremely fine, thank you.
Well, good. Hey, what you doing around here? You know there's nothing around here to count.
Oh no, not so. For counting things, this is the best place to be.
Well, I don't see anything for you to count.
No, but in a moment, you will hear.
Hear something?
Oscar has a terrible cold, and he... One sneeze.
You're
See?
counting
What
sneezes?
did I tell you?
Hey, look,
Eh?
I don't appreciate you counting my sneezing, so stop it. I'm not gonna sneeze anymore just for that either.
Oh.
No,
Wait.
Oh no.
Two sneezes. Three sneezes. Oh.
No, I'm not gonna sneeze again. Don't worry about that. Oh no.